How to find contacts on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find contacts on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Facebook app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store first if you have an Android and check if Facebook is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, let's just head on and open Facebook right here. And from the home page, let's just click on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And let's click on Settings and Privacy over here. Click on Settings again. And let's click on this search icon or the magnifying glass icon at the top right hand corner under the Settings and Privacy page. Tap on that, and what we're going to search for is contacts, and we should see the option to upload contacts. So just tap on that, and first I'm just going to click on this learn more option to give you more context about this feature. So when you choose to upload your phone's address book to Facebook, they will use and securely store information about your contacts, including things like names and any nicknames, contact photo, phone numbers, and other contact or related information you may have added, like relation or profession, as well as data on your phones about those contacts. So Facebook matches this information with name and contact information others have uploaded to provide a better service and make recommendations to you and others, like helping you find people you may know. So basically, it will actually depend on whether or not that specific Facebook profile have linked their phone number to their account. So to find our contacts on Facebook, you can just click on this toggle button right here, and Facebook will continuously upload your contacts, and they will let us know who you want to add as friends. So just click on continue over here, and Facebook will be uploading our contacts. And after Facebook has uploaded your contacts, they will show a list of friends that are potentially on your contacts, and you will also have the option to add them as a friend on Facebook. So that is how you can basically find contacts on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.